My name is LaDaryl Barnes Jr. I'm in the graphic design for applied science. I chose OSUIT because from my Central Tech program, my teacher told me that this would be a good next step for me to proceed into the graphic design career. I looked around, this was probably my best option for me and the price range. There are activities you can participate in. There was a VCC club, I think is what it was called, for graphic design and 3D majors and stuff like that. So they do have ways that you can explore and get to know people better and explore yourself and really see what the college experience is all for. I'd say probably the teachers I've had. They've probably been the best I've ever had, even throughout high school, my entire education career. I've really leaned on them to get me through. I think they have prepared me very well. I just got out of my practicum class, which you work with actual clients and you get feedback from clients. And I'm going into my internship, so before I even leave the campus, or per se, I will already have some knowledge under my belt from working on industry. The advisors as well, they really know what they really try to get into a relationship with the students and try to know them on a first name basis and day to day and see how they're doing. They really check in. They care. They really do care.